Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel Webonsky. Today we will learn how to install Watchman in Ubuntu operating system. Before moving forward, I would like to explain what is Watchman. So Watchman watches files and records or triggers actions when they change. Watchman exists to watch files and record when they change. It can also trigger actions such as rebuilding assets when matching files change. What is the concepts? Watchman can recursively watch one or more directory trees. We call them roots. Watchman does not follow symlinks. It knows they exist, but they show up the same as any other file in its reporting. Watchman waits for a root to settle down before it will start to trigger notifications or command execution. Watchman is conservative, preferring to err on the side of caution. It considers files to be freshly changed when you start to watch them or when it is unsure. You can query a root for file changes since you last checked or the current state of the tree. You can subscribe to file changes that occur in a root. To quickly start, these two lines establish a watch on a source directory and then set up a trigger named build me that will run a tool named minify-css. Whenever a CSS file is changed, the tool will be passed a list of changed file names. Look at this code. The output for build me will land in the Watchman log file unless you send it somewhere else. So this is the concept of Watchman. It is also called a file watching service. So now we will see how we can install Watchman on Ubuntu operating system. First of all, log into your terminal and just open the word terminal. Then go to the home directory by this command. Then clone this repository in the home directory. Now go to cd watchman folder because you can see a list of a folder name when you will clone this repository. So this will be the folder name, just cd watchman, or you can check it with the ls-l command to see the exact folder name if it is different. Now use this command git checkout v4.7.0. Now run the commands sudo opt get install -y autoconf automake build essential python-dev. After this command, just use autogen.sh. This is a shell script, so you can see the code written in this script as well. Now execute configure, then sudo make install. After all these commands, you can check the version of the Watchman with this command. Finally, use below entire command to run, like echo 6 times 9, then pi sudo t-a, this path, and echo again for 6 times 9 sudo t-a. Then just copy this complete command and execute it on your terminal. And after these steps, Watchman will get installed on your operating system. This is all I wanted to show you now. If you want to see more in detail, you can follow the documentation of Watchman from here. Here you can go through one by one and get a detailed knowledge of the Watchman. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe my channel.